So what's up guys? Welcome to the kitchen. And today we're gonna keep it simple, basic, and easy. We're gonna boil some shrimp for some shrimp cocktails or anything you want to do with it. So right here, we have 1 pound of shrimp, 26 to 30 shrimp in a pound. So these are perfect for shrimp cocktails. Okay, now let's get to cooking. Let's go. There you go guys, the finished product. Boiled shrimp. This is shrimp cocktail. Easy, simple, and delicious. Good flavor to it. You have that crunch, that freshness. So good. So give it a try. Let me know in the comment below how you like it. And if you like this video, smash that like button and consider subscribing, alright? Until next time, peace.